Hey! Welcome back to the channel, where we turn fitness myths into facts and help you unlock the best version of you. Today, we're diving into something that's simple, powerful, and can literally transform your body: 40 squats a day. Yep, you heard that right? Just 40 squats. Every single day. But what really happens to your body when you commit to this? Buckle up, because you're about to be amazed. First things first, squats are the king of all exercises. They're not just about building a booty, though, let's be real, who doesn't want that? Squats are a full-body workout. They engage your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, and even your back. And when you do 40 squats every day, magic starts to happen. Let's break it down. Okay, week 1 is all about the wake-up call. Your body is like, whoa, what's going on here? You might feel sore. Hello, DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. But that's a good sign. It means your muscles are waking up and getting stronger. Your heart rate increases, your blood flow improves, and you start burning calories like a furnace. By the end of week 1, you'll already feel more energized and alive. Trust me, it's worth the burn. Now, week 2 is where things get real. Your body starts adapting. Your legs feel firmer, your posture improves, and you might even notice your pants fitting a little looser around the waist. Why? Because squats boost your metabolism and help you burn fat faster. Plus, your core is getting stronger, which means better balance and stability. Oh, and let's not forget, your booty is starting to perk up. Section 4. Week 3, the confidence boost. By week 3, you're not just seeing changes, you're feeling them. Your confidence is through the roof. Your legs are more defined, your energy levels are soaring, and you're crushing those 40 squats like a pro. And here's the best part. Squats release endorphins, the feel-good hormones. So not only are you looking better, but you're also happier and less stressed. Talk about a win-win. Section 5. Week 4, the new you. Welcome to week 4, the new you. By now, your body is stronger, leaner, and more toned than ever. Your glutes are popping, your legs are sculpted, and your core is rock solid. But it's not just about the physical changes. You've built discipline, consistency, and mental toughness. You've proven to yourself that small daily actions can lead to big results. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Section 6. Bonus benefits. Oh, and let's not forget the bonus benefits. Squats improve your flexibility, strengthen your bones, and even boost your athletic performance. Whether you're running, dancing, or just chasing after your kids, you'll notice a difference. Plus, they're super convenient. No equipment needed. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Section 7. Call to action. So, are you ready to take the 40 squats a day challenge? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing fitness tips. Remember, small steps lead to big transformations. Let's crush those squats and unlock the best version of you.